According to Human Rights Watch, this was the most notorious civilian massacre of the First Russian-Chechen War. The International Committee of the Red Cross announced that approximately 250 civilians were killed. According to Amnesty International and HRW, more than 250 people were killed, while the elders of SAMASHKI stated that up to 300 residents were killed during the attack.
Today is the anniversary day of SAMASHKI Massacre. SAMASHKI is the village bordering between Chechnya and Ingushetia. In 1995, 7th and 8th of April, innocent Chechens were brutally tortured and killed by Russian terrorists. The crime has no statute of limitations. Nothing is forgotten. Everything will be brought to justice. All crimes, one day you will have to pay. Please support us on our YouTube channel. Please like our videos. Please write your comments below. And we are working on charity organization to support Chechens and Ukrainians against the Russian evil. Let me remind you also that Russia has killed 300,000 innocent Chechens, including 42,000 children. Exactly the same children like your children and like my children. A video about massacre of SAMASHKI or SAMASHKI Massacre. I really recommend you to watch that video fully till the end. And obviously after I uploaded that video, I've sent it to all my contacts from my phone. And a couple of the pro-Putin's dirty animals have reacted on that. And some of them replied, and one actually have called me. And he says that Russian-Chechen war, it was a civil war. So the answer to that, if 300,000 people who were killed by terrorist Russians, the Russian terrorists, how is it possible in a civil war that Chechens had such a latest technology, airplanes, tanks, helicopters, and all military weapons to kill and destroy cities, wipe off the whole cities and destroy hundreds of thousands of people? How does that possible that Chechens are killing their own Chechens? My dear friends, I would like you to support me to fight those Russism-minded terrorist people. Those people are living maybe next to you and you will never know. Those I'm talking about who committing crimes. And yet they are living in Britain committing crimes and helping those terrorists back home. Actually, they are not even all from Russia. So I would like to ask you, terrorist-minded hypocrites, what are you doing in the UK here? If you like so much Russia, if you love so much Putin, go back to your Russia. Go back to your hole, your rubbish hole. Just go back and live there.
You are terrorist, Putin. Kadyrov, you are terrorist.
You killed hundreds of thousands innocent people. Stop Putin, stop the war. 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 The Western countries, I'm not saying everything is good and you are living in paradise. No. This is Earth, this is a planet. We are living in our life, not in Akhirah. Akhirah is the next life. If we go to next life, then obviously we will be either in hell or in paradise. That's what we believe according to our religion. Christians also believe same way, and Jewish does so too. But Putinism, they have no religion, they have no humanity, even though you see in the Western countries there will be people who have no religion, there will be atheists, but they still have humanity. But those who are hypocrites, who call themselves Muslims or Christians or Jewish, it does not matter who you are, who you call yourself. If you have a Russism, ex-fascism mind, you are wrong. You either have to be explained and brought back to the right path, or you have to be taken away from the public because your mind is radical. You are dangerous to the public because you are justifying killing hundreds of thousands innocent people. So we say, stop Russian terror in Chechnya, in Ukraine, and let's stop it of spreading all over the world. Save Chechnya, save Ukraine, save humanity.